How to change or blur your video background in Microsoft Teams. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can blur or change your background that appear in your video feed while you are taking a call in the Microsoft Teams. So in case you wish to blur your background or change it because the current background is unsuitable for your desired team call, then let me show you how you can do this. So in order to start, the first thing that I'm going to do is start a Teams meeting. So I can start a Teams meeting by going to the Meet tab of the Microsoft Teams interface and then click onto this create a meeting link. Now I'm going to copy this meeting link and then paste it into my browser and try to join in without any Microsoft account. So just give me a second as I have already did. You can see that after typing in my name, I have been successfully admitted into the lobby. So if you will also see this particular windows right here where I am, you will see this option that says background filters. So simply click onto this background filters, and from here, as you can see that currently no background filter is applied. If you want to give yourself a blur background, you gotta click onto this blur option, or else if you want to have any of these static images as your wallpaper, you can choose them by simply clicking onto them and they will be applied on your background like this. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.